Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we are going to see how to share the website links using the QR code. So this the trick which I am going to share today will work on all the popular browsers which are based on Chromium. So the two most popular browsers currently in the market are the first one is the Google Chrome and the second one is Microsoft Edge. So both of these browsers are based on Chromium platform. So the trick I am going to show you today will work on both of these. So most of the times whenever we browse the internet, we find some of the link which is very important, and in some cases we may also require to send this link to our friends using email or any instant messenger. So what we do for the most of the time is we copy this link, such as right click and copy and paste it within the email or within the instant messenger such as WhatsApp. But it is so this methodology works pretty much fine when you are using the desktop browsers. So desktop browsers on your laptop and the desktop browsers on your laptops. So because the screen size is big, and where the URL is being started and where it ends, but it becomes pretty much difficult when you are using the touch based devices such as your mobile phones, because the screen size is very small, and even if you select the text, you may not be sure whether all the text has been copied or not. So many a times we copy the link and send it to our friends, but uh, and the link may not able to work properly, or the website may not open because some part of the link may not be copied, because it may be unvisible due to the length of the text which is greater than the text box area. So for this trick you need to have the latest Google Chrome browser. So if you do not have the latest Google Chrome browser, please update it. So current version is 86. So once you update the browsers, so open one of the tab and type it as Chrome in the address bar, followed by colon, followed by double forward slash, followed by flags. So once you type this address, just press enter. So once you enter this address in the address bar, you will find this page where you will find the most of the experimental features are being present, but it is not enabled for the general purpose use, because most of the experimental features may not work properly and they are still in development, and it will be released step by step in the future versions. So once you are on this page, just in the search box you press it as QR code. Sorry, QR code. So you will see one option here, enable sharing the page via QR code. So by default it is selected as default option. You need to press it as enabled. So once enabled, you know it will say to relaunch the Chrome browser. So just press relaunch. So once your browser has been relaunched, you will be revisited. You will revisit this page again. Just close this tab, and now you can see the new browser. I will just open any of the link such as Facebook here. So once you click into the address bar, you can see here a new icon has been generated, or a new icon has been displayed. So it is nothing but create QR code for this page. So once you click this here, it will display the QR code for this current link. So you can generate this kind of links by generate QR code for the different links such as Facebook, WhatsApp, and any of the websites, if whatever you want. So once you click this link, QR code will be generated for the specific website. So each of the QR code generated will be different, and it will be specific to that to that address only. So you can share this QR code by downloading it. There is also an option to download the QR code. So instead of copy pasting the whole link into the WhatsApp or within the emails, it would look better that if you attach this QR code within the emails or send it through WhatsApp. So the guy on the other side may be able to scan this QR code, and without any errors he may able to open that website. Okay. So you can use any of the mobile QR scanner app. You can find it many apps on the Google Play stores to read this QR code. The same way, it also works on Microsoft Edge. First of all, I have showed you on the Google Chrome. It may also work on the Microsoft Edge. So you need to follow the same steps. Just type Chrome colon followed by forward slash double forward slash and flags. Sorry. Just hit enter, press QR code here in the search box. So by default I have already enabled it. I was checking whether it works or not within the Edge previously. So you can check this there. The option here displayed is pretty much same as displayed in Google Chrome. Now I will try to open any of the link such as Amazon. So you can see here the link in the address bar is pretty much big here. So it becomes pretty much difficult on the touch based devices such as mobile phones to copy the whole link and then send it to someone. So you can see here the similar kind of icon is being displayed here. Just click that, a QR code will be displayed here, and by using the mobile scanner app or any of the other app which reads the QR code, we can visit to that website. So this is the pretty much new way for sharing the links for the on the Chromium based browsers. So this feature is still not been enabled by default. You need to enable it by explicitly changing the flags, because this is still an experimental features and it may be lead to instability of the systems for some of the older hardware. So that's why it is being disabled till now. So in the upcoming video, I am going to show you a similar kind of feature on the mobile devices such as Google Chrome mobile on the Android devices, because the setting for the mobile device is somewhat little bit different, but it is pretty much the same. So in the next video I will show you how to share the links using QR code on Android mobiles. So yeah, guys, if you like my videos, I please share and comment below. When you share and comment and subscribe my channel, it motivates me to create such more videos. I will always try to keep my videos simple and straightforward. I will not do any kind of such fancy things, because simplicity is the best that convinces the people whatever we want to say. So please subscribe my channel. That's a request from my side. So I hope you have liked this video and found this video very useful. And yeah, thank you for watching this video.